What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Ethereum. As we can see, Ethereum is doing very well. But in as much as it is doing very well, it doesn't change the fact that I have exited my short position on Ethereum, because right now I'm still very much bearish on Ethereum, regardless of how the market is right now. Okay, let's start from the daily. If I take most of this away, if you watched my previous video, you definitely know what I've been saying all this while for Ethereum or on Ethereum. So right now we could see it clearly that Ethereum has been on a downtrend. Obviously, you could see right here it has been on a downtrend, and also most importantly, we could also say that from the weekly time frame, I guess it's the weekly time frame, or should I say the daily time frame right here, Ethereum managed to break below this major support right here. You could see whenever we come in contact with this level, we we rally. We come in contact with this support right here, we rally. All of a sudden we broke below this level and we couldn't reclaim that level, so we are actually down massively from that area of support. We are actually down how many percent from here after we broke down? We are down roughly roughly 3.4%. After we went down roughly how many percent? Sorry about that. After we went down roughly how many percent? We went down roughly 8%. So with the look of things right now, I think the best thing for us to expect right now for ETH is for ETH to probably we should still be bearish on ETH. This is majorly all I can say right now for ETH. We should most likely be bearish on ETH rather than for us to be bullish on ETH or seeing ETH reclaiming any major level, because to be very honest with each and every one of us, the best level right here that I can see ETH probably retesting is ETH being able to rally all the way to $2,173. If it even manages to break above that level, I don't think so. We're most likely going to be pulling even much lower. This is what I think. And looking at things since also, even if we manage to break above this major resistance at $2,170, we still rally all the way to $2,230, probably get a little bit of fake out and we'll end up dumping even much lower. So I think regardless of how things go right here, we shouldn't be too convinced that the market is most likely going to rally and all what's not, because right now the market is still this is still the bearish season. You can see right here where all we'll be getting right here is lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs right here. So I think with the look of things right here, this should give us every necessary info we need for us to realize that Ethereum is still very much bearish. Looking at Bitcoin right here, Bitcoin might be looking stronger after you could see there is some level of breakouts around here, but in as much as Bitcoin still rallies all the way to probably $80,000, what are the chances for Bitcoin to break above $80,000? They are very slim. So if they can be very slim, I do not also see Ethereum breaking above probably $2,230. That is if we eventually rally all the way to that level right there. So I think this is definitely what we can I can take note of right here, especially given the fact that you could see after we broke below this bear flag pattern right here, we rallied all the way to this resistance at 2,123. We couldn't break above it after we got this fake out and we got rejected from this level right here, especially given the fact that you can see that if I clone this and probably take this, really don't know why. I don't know. I honestly don't know. Let me see. Sorry about that, guys. You could see after we broke below this major level, we dumped all the way to $2,040 and even lesser than that or lower than that. So I think this is just definitely it right here for ETH. Once ETH is able to probably break below this major support right here at this major support at $2,057, I think we're most likely going to even head all the way lower, all the way to $1,820. So regardless, my short position on Ethereum is still very much open, and yes, I'll definitely be able to keep each and every one of us updated. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash that like button and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.